This is rap. Well, Kez is rapping, not me.
Some K-rap, yo.
Funk rap.
This is actually it. Just this bit. Divine, sounds sublime, souls aligned. We're gonna blow your mind with a most high. Open up your third eye. We're flying high, and at this time we die. Most divine, sounds sublime, souls aligned. We're gonna blow your mind with a rhyme. Now we don't waste time with the things we say. We're here to shine a light in the night today. We turn your frequency, shine bright like the sun, and we can tune into the same vibration. Colors flying fast, moving past your ears. Turn up the vibes with the underground appeal. Cooking up magical sounds full of flavor, flowing like a river, seeing signs on the way. Yeah, seeds keep growing, that river keeps flowing. Allow yourself leading to a new sense of knowing. Look into the river, leave yourself behind. Listen, the lyrics come and irie up your state of mind. Oh yeah, a funky situation. The drums keep kicking and that bass keeps playing. Keep it low down with the sounds that you're making. Listen up close to what the music's saying. Most high, open up your third eye. We're flying high and at least never die. Most divine, sounds sublime, souls aligned. We're gonna blow your mind with a most high, open up your third eye. We're flying high and at least never die. Most divine, sounds sublime, souls aligned. We're gonna blow your mind with a rhyme. Now your mind is the price of admission. Get yourself comfy, loosen up your position. So you owe it to yourself, you don't need no permission. Coming on strong, funky, fresh premonition. Turn off your logic and get into the feeling. Sonic inspiration and things that we're dealing. Now meditate on this musical odyssey. Take it to a place you've never been before. Trust me, love is the key to a higher connection. Opening your baggage, checking out your reflection. Opening the spirit through the doors of perception. We guarantee that you get a warm reception. Chaplin in the 90s, hip hop reflects the Jurassic 5 and a Triangle Quest. So let's drop the needle, pull it back and rewind. Let's take it back to those old school vibes. Most high, open up your third eye. Flying high and let me stand it down. Most divine, sounds sublime, souls alive. We're gonna blow your mind with a most high, open up your third eye. We're flying high and let me stand it down. Most divine, sounds sublime, souls alive. We're gonna blow your mind with a rhyme. Soul Tribe, we've been here a long time. Just take me back to those old school vibes. Receiving transitions, looking in like sunshine. I fast forward to a better timeline. Open up your third eye and let this stand it fly. Most divine, sounds sublime, souls aligned. We're gonna blow your mind with a rhyme. Most high, open up your third eye. We're flying high and at least time it die. Most divine, sounds sublime, souls aligned. We're gonna blow your mind with a rhyme. Most high, open up your third eye. We're gonna blow your mind with a rhyme. Thanks so much, guys. A lot of fun. It's been a long time since I sang that. I was like, can I remember all the words? I don't know.